Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to cash out your GCash balance. Cash outing your balance from GCash is quite simple, so you just need to follow these simple steps. So first up here is open up your GCash app as you can see here, and then tap on the send button right there at the top left. And here, if you want to cash out your GCash balance to your bank account, you just need to tap on this transfer button. Now here, as you can see, all the partner banks that we're going to use. And if we actually tap on this view all button right here at the bottom right corner, and then it will show you here all the available bank that you can actually use to cash out your balance. So for example, if we tap on BPI, so here just need to enter the amount and then the account name, the account number, and then if you want to receive a receipt, so just need to enter your email address right here. Now once you've done, you just need to tap on the send money button. Now the second way here to cash out your money, you just need to tap on this send via QR code. So right here, if we tap on this button here, as you can see, you just need to make sure that the QR code on your bank account is within the frame. And once you've done right here, it will send you a code and you need to just enter the code right here. And yeah, that's how you basically cash out your GCash balance. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.